Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I love this chili sauce. I used to have it all the time when I was in China, and my family loves it. I'm so surprised to find out it also gained its popularity in America. You put a little bit in your noodles or rice, or if you saw my videos about me having dumplings, I put a little bit in there as well. It is so good. I love it so much. By the way, do you know the story behind this lovely lady? She is quite an inspirational figure in China. She started out in a very humble scenario where she's also financially challenged. And at the very beginning, she sell her chili sauce in that little restaurant she owned. And then she realized that people loved her chili sauce more than anything. So at the end of the day, she just decided to quit her restaurant business and started to do her chili sauce full time. Did you notice the texture of this wrapping? It is a glass wrapping, so it is pretty heavy. Therefore, when she gained her fame, a lot of people were suggested to her, saying that you can switch to paper wrapping or plastic wrapping, which you can transport it much more easier. But she insisted that her chili sauce is best preserved in the glass bottle. That's why she kept using it. I really admire her. I remember when I was little, I read an interview about her. She said early on there was no one else help her, so she had to move a lot of peppers every day, and her fingers were all chapped from the spiciness. It was really rough, and she was financially strained at that time as well. But she conquered it all, and now she has this great brand. You can try it if you want to. Follow for more.